So we mainly work with ground robots and drones as well.
We work with some of the leading robotics companies in the world. Here earlier this year we partnered up with Bostondynamics as the #1 leading robotics provider in the world. They're providing autonomous robots for inspection, and we're utilizing them at industrial sites. And what we've seen with Bostondynamics is, for instance, that they have deployed robots all over the world, across 30 countries, and they have more than 1,000 robots out there. It just shows like the reliability of these robots. Our products is robotic agnostic, so we work with all the other different robotic providers as well. The taurob inspector, for instance. This one is particularly interesting for the oil and gas companies, as it is ATEX certified and is able to operate within explosive zones. So with the different type of robots that we work with, they usually have different type of payloads or different type of sensors mounted on top of them to support the different use cases we are solving. The most common type of payloads that we have mounted is the different type of cameras in order to take pictures or take video recordings of the equipment that we're inspecting. So for this, there's usually like a pan-tilt zoom camera, which you can point the camera in the direction and zoom in on the equipment that you're inspecting. But also like a 360-degree camera in order to collect like the full view of the facility while the robot is walking around. And you almost always have the thermal camera available as well to say something about the temperature of the equipment that you're inspecting. In addition to this, it's very common to have gas detectors or any other type of sensors for detecting leakages from pipes. And all of these are used to say something about the health or the current state of that equipment. Connect the robots to the cloud in order to manage the data collected from these robots. While the robot itself, it's performing the autonomous inspection, doing some of the dirty work of actually collecting the data from the equipment itself. And then we use solutions like Cognite Data Fusion to contextualize the data and to automatically analyze the data collected.
In context, we care about the data and making use of the data. So in order for us to do that, we can use robots as a data acquisition tool in order to leverage our industrial data platform, Cognite Data Fusion, by using robots as a data source for the platform.
أنظمة الروبوت هي وسيلة فعالة للقيام بالمهام الروتينية وتوفير المجهود وتخفيف العبء على فرق التشغيل والهندسة، خصوصا في البيئات الصناعية اللي تتطلب الكثير من مهام الفحص والمراقبة والتسجيل للعديد من أنظمة القياس والآلات، أحيانا في ظروف صعبة وقاسية وعلى مدار الساعة، خصوصا في القطاعات الحساسة مثل قطاع الطاقة. على الجانب الآخر هذا سيمكن الفنيين والمهندسين من التركيز على مهام تتطلب المزيد من المرونة والإبداع التي يتميز بها العامل البشري.